Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to change YouTube full screen settings. So there are times where your YouTube video is not fully screen fitted to your smartphone or iPhones. So what you can do is go to your YouTube. And then what you can do is go to your profile and select the settings. And now go to general. Now make sure to turn this on. And then that's basically how you can do that. And then that's it everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.